Hello, my name is Gaudi Reynisson. I'm coming from Iceland, Scandinavia. Been doing retail business in furniture and beds for over 30 years. And back in 2018 I sit down with the biggest factories of Scandinavia, which are creating sofas and beds, to come up with the idea to start up a store in Luxembourg. And our collection will be Scandinavian design furniture and nice health mattresses with a lot of different options of fabrics and sizes. We will have everything on stock, which you can see in the store, and options of different sizes and headboards, sofas creating for you, and most fashionable fabrics, and price level will be extremely good. That is the focus on that. We have a beautiful product with an amazing price, and you can get delivered right away. That is the concept of Dorma Home. That you come into our store and you see something you want to have at home. So what we wanted to bring to Europe from Scandinavia, which we are used to up there, is that we go in nice stores, we see a nice environment, we buy sofas and we get it delivered right away. That is something we came new with here to Europe. So if you come to our store and you see a beautiful sofa which you want to get at home, we have it in stock and we can deliver it within 24 hours. That is the Scandinavian way of buying furniture. This is not some heavy process. But then, of course, we have also an option that you can choose from variation of 300 different fabrics, which if you want to create your own sofa for your own home, but that means that you need to wait maybe up to 8 weeks. That is the options we have here. But we have architects from Denmark and Sweden to help us to choose the correct fabric. This is in style at every moment, and I think we are pretty successful of choosing the fabrics, because as I see from our customers, they are using our warehouse quite a lot. Again, to make the trip worth to visit Dorma Home, we have a great collection of gifts and accessories for weddings, for birthdays, for Father's Day, for Mother's Day. Our famous brand is Ralph Lauren, which is selected only to the chosen ones to be able to sell. As well, we are representative of the biggest company in the world selling lights for home, visual comfort, which we are working with a lot with architects. But we have outdoor lights, we have indoor lights. You have variation of over 15,000 different lights here in a catalog which you can choose for your home. If a warehouse is in London for us there, and we can deliver within a week every light you order.